friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. We have a D&Co unboxing today. Let's get to it. We have our trusty rusty screwdriver. We're going to open up the box. If you haven't tried D&Co before and you would like to, there's a description down below. They send you 5 items. They are a plus size subscription service. I think they start at size 10. And I think they go up to like 32 maybe. 25 items. There's a referral code down below if you want to get $25 towards your first box with them. Yeah. How's everyone's summer? I'm still trying to keep that Jamaica tan, baby. All right. They send you the note. They send you the mailer to send back the things you don't want to keep. You know, all these boxes, they really do make it really easy. Invoice. We'll look at the prices at the end. I don't know what's in this one. I didn't pick any items for this box, so it's a surprise. Hi Rachel, I'm your new stylist Jacqueline, and I'm thrilled to be on this journey with you. How is this season going for you? Great. I've created a 6-piece assortment that I think you're going to love. Since you're on the hunt for some new work tops, I had to include this sleek Ryan Wild blouse. Pair it back to your black skirt from your February box. Since you prefer to have some stretch in your tops, I grabbed the black socialite puff sleeve top since it can be dressed up or down. The striped crossback tee is great for an off-duty look styled with denim shorts or even the joggers that you... Oh, I did add something to this box. I added some joggers. Add a pop of color at work in the red East Adeline 3/4 sleeve top, which can be worn with the bottoms of your choice. I don't know why I'm doing that with my finger. Are you on the hunt for anything specific in your next box? No. Let me know if you experience any fit issues that I can help with. Just leave me a note with what you need, and I will always do my best to find the perfect styles. XO, Jacqueline. Thanks, Jacqueline. Here we go. Yeah, okay. I'll break the box down now. Yes, I have scissors, but I've said before I prefer to open the box with the trusty rusty screwdriver, so I don't cut into anything with the scissors. You know, it's practical. Just some practical stuff there. And then I've been trying to break the boxes down as I go. There's a huge pile over there. Now I have cardboard all over me. It's fine. This is a dress, t-shirt dress from Stitch Fix, in case you're wondering. And here is our little D&Co bundle. She looks kind of cute. Let's see this side. See which side looks better. I don't know. They look the same, but pretty good. There's a nice like little assortment of colors in there. I don't remember adding the joggers, but it sounds like something I would do. Does anybody else have a headache today? Here we go. Oh, she's cute. She's kind of like a little square neck, boat neck top with little puff sleeves. I really like that. That's cute. Nice. It's really soft too. Here we have, oh, she's cute too. I don't, you guys know, unless you don't know and it's your first time here, hi. I'm not a huge fan of navy, but I'm trying to get more okay with it. The back on this is really cute. I do like the pink and orange stripes on it. I think that's unique. That is cute. Also very soft. This one not soft, not stretchy at all. But I like the polka dots. We'll see if it'll fit. It's kind of got that cute little button neck hole, little sleeves there. Little pioneer woman-ish. That's fine. And we have, I can't tell if this is black or navy. This is that Ryan Wild one. And it has buttons all the way down. You see those? See those? But you can't really see the buttons until you look real close. And it's like, is it lined? I don't know. I feel like it's kind of see-through. But it has potential, I suppose. Definitely more blousey. I like the other ones better so far. And these must be the joggers. They're so soft, you guys. They're so soft. They're kind of like that heathered, dark black, grayish kind of. Got the typical jogger bottom. They got pockets. They got a drawstring that actually works as a drawstring. It's not just decor. Oh, those are really soft. It's really hot up here today though, so like I'm not looking forward to putting them on, but we'll see. And here we have a red collared blouse, 3/4 sleeve V-neck. That could be nice. I don't have a lot of collared shirts. My husband doesn't really like collared shirts on me. I don't know. They look kind of just weird on me, I feel like, as well. But they have a cuff there too. So everything's kind of cute. It has potential. Let's try things on. Here's the first top. I just put on a pair of my work pants with it. I wouldn't wear it untucked, but I wanted you to see the length if you don't like to tuck your shirts in. It's really pretty color. It's a little wrinkly. I don't think you can see the wrinkles really on the camera, but it's probably just from being in the box. So once you like wash it or hanging up or whatever, I think it'd be fine. Here's the length. All right, I'm gonna tuck it in. Tucked in. Better tucked, I think. I'm just not really into the long length shirts anymore. It's cute. You can't really see. I feel like this is like getting blown out because it's so bright. But there's like a pleat right here where the V-neck goes and it gets like pulled apart. Here's the collar. I don't know. I just feel like my neck is too short for collared shirts. I think is what it is. But I really like the red. I think the red's really pretty. Let's try on something else. I like this one better. Again, V-neck. I like the V-necks. The sleeves are kind of cute. They have a little ruffle there. Definitely it's black and white. It's not navy or anything. And the buttons, you can't really see them. So you're like right up close, but they do go all the way down. And they're not real buttons. So like it's sewn shut so you don't have to worry about gaping. Here's the back. Again, I'm gonna tuck it in. Tucked. I think it's cute. This is, you can see the button though. Like, you can definitely see the button through the pants when you tuck it though, so maybe be wary of that or just like get some back of your pants or something. But it's really cute. It's really lightweight. Really super good for work. Yeah, I don't know. It could be a winner. I'm not in love with it. I like it though. I do like it a lot. Yeah, that's cute. Okay, let's do more. This is my favorite top so far. I knew it would be. I really like the square neck. I like the kind of ruched sleeves there. It's really, really soft. Like, I don't know if you guys get Stitch Fix boxes, but they have this brand 9 Britain that's like really, really soft. I have a jumpsuit that's like, feels like the same soft material. So I think I like this one best. I tucked it in. It's like down to here. But I'm just saving time tucking, okay? Because I know that's how I'm going to wear it. I think it's cute. It could go good with skirts too. It's very neutral. I like that one. Alright, let's try on these. I'm just trying them on all with my work pants because like that's what I'm going to wear them with. This one I'd probably wear with like jeans or something. Maybe this one too. Maybe I'll put some jeans on. Would you like that? Some jean shorts? Okay, let's do that. Here's the navy top with the stripes. I do like how the stripes break up the navy, so like I'm okay with it. Here's the back. Has that crisscross. I think these jean shorts are from Stitch Fix, in case you're wondering. I don't know why I'm going on my tiptoes when I can just bring the camera down. Real time. There we go. So I think it's cute. I do think it's cute for summer. It'd probably be cute in the winter too, with like a cardigan or something over it to work. It's a cute little t-shirt. I don't hate it. I don't hate the navy. It's cute. Kind of 80s-ish. I just finished watching Stranger Things. Did you guys? As I'm filming this, it's like beginning of July, so it's not like I waited a whole month to watch. Alright? Okay. Let's try on the last top, and then we'll do the joggers. Woo! Here's the beige polka dot top. I didn't tuck it in yet. And here's the length. I think it's cute for summer. I don't know how I feel about the sleeves. I feel like there needs to be like another 2 inches of sleeve length to kind of cover up like this part here. But as it is, there isn't. So here's what it would look like tucked. Kind of cute. It is cute. I just don't think I would wear it anywhere but work. I don't think I would be like, oh, here's a hot summer day. I'm going to go to the store and wear this up to my neck, you know, shirt, you get it. I don't know. It looks nice with my tan, I suppose, but I don't think I like where the sleeve hits right here, personally. But I like polka dots. I like the beige, it's kind of cute. All right, let's try the joggers on. They're gonna be so soft. Let's try them. Here's the joggers. They're so soft. I just put on my Breakfast Club shirt. Breakfast Club. Can't see my arm. Anyway, I have tank top on under. I'm not, you know, my stomach's not this porcelain. These are so soft. They fit really well. Gosh darn. Do I need joggers? Yes, I do. No, I probably don't. But they're so soft. So comfy. I hope they're not too much money. I think these are the front runners. I do have a lot of shirts, but you know, I do have a lot of joggers too, so it really doesn't matter. But they're so soft. And when you come home from work, you just want to put on something nice and soft and comfy and cute. So, okay, let's get my head back on here. Hi. All right, and then we'll go over the prices. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already and you like these kinds of unboxings. Prices. I'm nervous. Okay. Okay, everything's $49 or less. That's pretty good. All right, Melanie Isadora, Olivia crossback blouse in navy, size large, 42. I did like that, surprisingly. The Ryan Wild Mila short sleeve blouse in black / ivory. I don't know which one that was. Is this one? Real time. Yeah, okay, this one. $49. I'm not gonna get any of the ones that didn't really have stretch. The Melanie Isadora Trina keyhole ruffle top in beige / ivory, size large, $45. The Socialite Eleanor puff sleeve top, this one here in black / white, size 0X, $42. I did like that. The East Adeline Sylvia 3/4 sleeve top in red, 0X, $42. And the East Adeline Brenda jogger in black / charcoal gray, size 0X, $49. I liked those. Okay, so the merchandise total, $269, $20 styling fee that goes towards what you keep. And the full box discount off for 5+ items would be $67.25. So the whole box, I sank in my chair, would be $181.75. Not getting the whole box, but it was a pretty good box. You know, there's nothing horrendous. So yeah, I think, I don't know. I just choked. I don't know. I like these. I do really like these joggers too. I do feel like you could probably get ones really similar at like Target or something. So it's between, I liked this one too though. The two tops were $42 that I like, and then the joggers are $49. I did like this. Don't know how much wear I would get out of it though. As opposed to this one, I feel like I would get lots of wear out of for work and not work. This one I would wear mostly at home and maybe to the store. Ugh, I don't know. Ugh. I just kicked the camera. That's how much I don't know. Real time. Hi. Real time. I don't know. Leave a comment down below what you think I should do or should have done, because by the time this goes up, I would have probably made a decision already. But I'd like to know your opinion. If it's nice, don't be mean. So, okay, it's between those three things. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I hope you're having a great summer, and I will see you next time.